Do you want to know the secret to becoming rich? We all dream of wealth, of leading a life free from financial burdens, but how can we turn this dream into reality? The answer lies in understanding and applying certain principles that have guided countless individuals on their journey to wealth. Today we'll unveil the secret to wealth, presenting 5 key principles that have the potential to transform your financial life. These aren't magic tricks or get-rich-quick schemes, but tried and tested methods that require dedication, discipline, and a willingness to learn. We'll talk about financial literacy, the cornerstone of wealth creation. We'll discuss the importance of multiple income streams and how savings and investments can grow your wealth exponentially. We'll also touch upon effective debt management and the critical role of patience and persistence in wealth creation. Stay tuned as we delve into these principles that can potentially change your financial outlook forever. Principle 1. Financial literacy. It's more than just knowing how to count your pennies. It's understanding the mechanics of money, how to manage it, how to make it work for you. It's about making informed and effective decisions with all of your financial resources. Consider this the bedrock of your wealth-building journey. Mastering this principle, you'll be able to navigate the financial seas with confidence and precision. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your finances. Principle 2. Multiple income streams. Imagine putting all your eggs in one basket, only for the basket to fall. That's the risk you run with a single income source. It can hamper your wealth-building journey. So consider spreading your wings. Maybe you could start investing, launch a side business, or even tap into passive income opportunities. Remember, the key to financial security isn't just earning, but earning from multiple avenues. Diversification is not just for your investment portfolio, it applies to your income as well. Principle 3. Savings and investments. It's crucial to understand the power of these 2 financial tools. Saving is your safety net, your cushion for rainy days. It's about ensuring you're never caught off guard by life's unpredictable turns. On the other hand, investing is about making your money work for you. When you invest, you open doors for your money to multiply, to grow beyond its initial value. You're not just storing it away, you're increasing its potential. Remember, $1 saved is $1 earned, and $1 invested is a potential $1 multiplied. Principle 4. Debt management. Now, this is where the rubber meets the road. Managing debt effectively is crucial. Yes, certain debts can be a stepping stone to building wealth, like a mortgage or a business loan. But watch out for excessive or high-interest debt, the kind that can pull you down like quicksand, credit card debt, payday loans. These are wealth killers. So do your due diligence and tread carefully. Remember, not all debts are created equal. Manage them wisely. Principle 5. Persistence and patience. The journey to wealth is less a sprint, more a marathon. It's not about immediate gratification, but about enduring commitment. Patience is your ally, and persistence, your weapon. It's the consistent, relentless effort, day in and day out, that turns small gains into abundant wealth. Understand that growing wealth takes time. Just like a seed, it needs to be nurtured and given time to grow into a mighty tree. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your wealth. So there you have it, the 5 principles to becoming rich. Let's take a moment to recap. Financial literacy, your roadmap to understanding money. Multiple income streams, your safety net and your accelerator. Savings and investments, your seed for future growth. Debt management, your shield against financial pitfalls. And finally, persistence and patience, your unwavering allies in this journey. Apply these principles, stay consistent, and you'll be on your way to achieving financial freedom. Remember, the journey to wealth begins with a single step.